This time I'm going to add 2 more pockets to create a general shape for a rail car. So here we go. I go back to my pocket command, I choose the sketch icon, and one more sketch on the XY plane, which is like this. Grab the spline tool again, and I just want to put a small pocket on the underside of the canister. No more than that. We know how to do this now. Very similar to the previous, same error, doesn't matter. We just get this back around the right side, and this time the other one is going the right way. So if we preview that, we've now got this sort of general railcar shape from the side. That was pretty easy. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to get some shape looking from the top. So if we look over here at the compass, we can see, what plane is that? Well, that is the ZX plane. So if I choose pocket, the sketch icon, just need to roll the tree back down here, and this time I'm going to choose the ZX plane. And here we are, back in 2D space. So I'm going to grab the spline tool again because I like the nice smooth curved lines that it gives me. And then I'm going to start out here, and remembering that the body needs to be wide in the places where the axles are going to go, and it also needs to be wide up the back here to accommodate the canister housing. So that's a start. As I've said previously, you can go back and edit these anchor points, or in fact delete the whole sketch and start again, but we'll start with this for the time being. So I exit the workbench. Now what have we got? Okay, well, if we preview that, we're going to have some funny business going on. First of all, we're taking the pocket out from the wrong side, so we'll preview that. Now this is a bit strange, isn't it? Have a look at that. If I go OK to that, look what's happening there. Okay, so that we're not very happy with that. So I'm going to go back into. There's nothing wrong with the sketch at this point in time. So what I need to do is go back into the pocket. And first of all, if I increase this number here, let's have a look at what's going to happen. Well, I can increase that number until it goes all the way through to the bottom. So then from the bottom that starts to look like a rail car. An alternate way of doing that would be, rather than having a dimension up here, I can go up to this type and go up to next, and we'll simply go up to the next surface. And so that is like that, but we still have a problem because it's only starting on that actual ZX plane and going down. We actually need the pocket to go up as well. So here's what we do. I'm going to drag that out of there just to make some room for myself. Grab that and choose more. And so now I have the ability to have a second limitation going in the opposite direction. So let's see what happens. If I go up, well, that's taking me in the right direction. But if I wanted to, I could again go here, up to next, preview that, and let's have a look at what we've got. So now, if I define the mirror as in, now we're starting to look like we have a very simple rail car.